Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. I'm back again today. So for another creative session in Junk Journal January. So Junk Journal January 2025. So today's prompt is outline. So let's see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have to do something quick because I'm gonna skip this page. No, I think I'll use this one. We're gonna have to do something quick today. I don't want to be too fussy like I normally am. I'm just gonna be quick today. Get something done quick. Let's see what I can do. Let me get out my little box here. So I keep all my little papers and cutouts and everything in here. I'm gonna take this out because I think it fits this, because I think I was gonna make it a page at one time. So I think it fits. Yep, it fits. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing pretty good today myself. Let me get my sleeves up. I'm doing pretty good today myself. I spent the day just trying to declutter. I saw this thing on Facebook or one of those social media things where it says, to declutter, you need to just start off in one room and get a certain amount of things done. Don't do just do a little bit every day, because if you start to do the whole thing, you're just going to get frustrated with yourself and you never quite get it done. So I'm like, okay, that sounds like me. That sounds like me. If I try to do too much, I'm gonna get all frustrated and I'll never get anything done. So that's what I'm trying to do, declutter. So I'm gonna use this stamp. It's a Inka Dinka Doo stamp. So it looks like that. It's from Inka Dinka Doo. I think it was a song that went like that somewhere, Inka Dinka Doo or something like that. I remember a song, but don't let me be telling you stuff like that. I do remember a song though. I can't remember what it had something to do with Inka Dinka Doo. If anybody remembers it, could you put it in the comments? But I could be dating myself because other people might not go, what? Okay, so outline. Got these flowers here. What's present? Ah, that looks okay. That looks okay. It's outliney, nice and black. See if I can get a couple more. So I'm enjoying the challenge so far. I've been able to keep working, getting stuff done most days. So I'll probably try to do a couple of them tomorrow, a couple of the pages tomorrow. Oh, that looks pretty cool. I think I'll do one more. See if I can get it a little bit darker. Let me press some more ink into it. See if I can get a little bit darker. Let me wipe this off. So I don't want to get that on there. So I want it to go right there. Right there, like that. Press that top part. Okay, there we go. There we go. I like that. I like that. So that's outline. Let's put this here. Put the top on it. Put the top on it. Put this on here. Put it back over here. Get that out the way. Now, let's see what else I want to do. I got this butterfly here that I cut out, and he's kind of outlined too. I don't know what it is about the ink, that when you decide to use the ink, it just does not. I mean, not the ink, the glue. It just doesn't want to come out the way you want it to. So let's put him right there. That looks good so far. His little and Tanny. Like that. Now, I have, because this is one's going to be quick. Didn't want to do a whole bunch. Didn't want to add a whole bunch of color. So I want to put my little girl right there. She's in this little garden of flowers, looking at all these flowers. This one I kind of want to leave a little bit basic. Just those two looking at the flowers. I don't know. I think I need a couple more flowers. I think I need a couple more flowers to kind of get this going just right. Some small ones. Because I need something to balance off that section right there. I need a smaller block. Let's see, do I have a smaller block? I usually try to keep my blocks over here. A smaller one would do, but I don't think I have a small one. I don't think I have a small one right there, so I'll use this one. Let's ink this up. Ink this up. I'll ink this one with a little bit of color to it. Let's see. This one seems a little dry. That seems a little dry. It's not inking. Not inking it up for me. I just need something here in the corners. Over here by the girls. Just need something like that right there. I need something right there. Put this one right here. I like the swirls on this. I like the swirls on it. I like that. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I didn't want to do a lot for this one. But I think I just want to add a touch of color. And I had this butterfly. There's going to be a touch of color. And I'm not going to press them down just in case. Just in case. Nope. Don't like them, don't like them, don't like them, don't like them. I think I like this just the way it is. And then I gotta have some words, of course. Some words. I want to put that right there. There. I think I like that just the way it is. I think I don't want to add anything. I don't want to overcomplicate it. I think I just want to leave this page just the way it is. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. And I'll see you tomorrow. This is Junk Journal, January number 4, page 4, outline. Thanks for joining me, friends. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.